The Zipoute full-face snorkel mask gives kids a wide panoramic view that feels much more open than a traditional two-lens mask, making underwater exploring more immersive and less claustrophobic. Its full-face design lets children breathe naturally through nose and mouth, which is far less intimidating for beginners than biting down on a separate snorkel tube. The separate airflow channels and dry top system do a good job keeping water out of the breathing path and help prevent that stale, hard-to-breathe feeling during longer sessions. Soft medical-grade silicone around the skirt seals comfortably against small faces, reducing leaks and fogging, while still staying gentle on sensitive skin. The adjustable straps and foldable snorkel tube make it easy to pack in a beach bag and simple for kids to put on and take off with minimal adult fiddling. The playful shark styling and flat lens that does not warp the view make this mask feel like a fun toy while still functioning as serious snorkeling gear.